In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Tubi TV on an Android phone, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Play Store on your phone, and once it opens, tap on the search bar and search for Tubi TV. Now, if the Tubi TV app shows up here, you can simply tap Install, and that's it. Now, if the app does not show up in the Play Store, the next thing you want to do is open your browser. Now, in the browser, search for Tubi TV APK download. Now, from the search results, click on the first trusted website that appears. Now, once the website opens, tap on Get the latest version. Now, scroll down and tap on the download button and wait for the APK to download. Now, once the download finishes, tap on the downloaded file and install it. And that's it. That's how you download and install Tubi TV on an Android phone. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.